Good morning, everybody. We are in sunny and bright. Where are we today? Sidcup. Working on this lovely Mercedes ML350. Client called us in for a 4-stage carbon clean service and a diagnostic because he's getting black smoke out of the vehicle under acceleration, and also he's having trouble starting it. So the first thing to do was a diagnostic, which we've done in detail. I don't know if you can see on the screen, but we came up with 2 faults for glow plugs, which will be related to the starting issue. So we've instructed him about what to do for that. That'll need to go into a garage to be resolved. And we've got on with the 4-stage carbon clean service. So that's the hydrogen cleaning, which is the stage 1 from the machine. Our injector cleaner, which is this one here. Our chemical cleaner for getting rid of the oily gunk off the EGR and the turbo areas, and our DPF regeneration aid, which just helps the DPF to burn off its soot during regeneration. So this process takes about 45 minutes to an hour in total, and then the car needs to go for a 20 to 30 minute drive ideally afterwards, and costs £179.99 including all the full diagnostics, and we're fully insured. So if you need our services, our telephone number is 01293 769495, or you can send us a message. Have a great day.